Hi everyone, in this video we will review Higgsfield AI Ultimate. Higgsfield AI offers several subscription plans depending on your needs. The basic plan is priced at $9, the Pro plan at $17, the Ultimate plan at $24, and the Creator plan at $37. Among these, the Ultimate plan is aimed at creators who want more flexibility, higher credit allowances, and access to advanced features than the lower tier options. This plan is ideal for users who regularly produce content, experiment with cinematic effects, or use tools like the UGC Builder, which speeds up creating user-generated content. It also provides priority access to new AI tools and models, which can be useful for creators who want to stay ahead of trends and continuously explore new features. In terms of value, the Ultimate plan gives a large monthly credit allowance and more flexibility compared to the Basic or Pro plans, which makes it appealing for heavy users. However, some users have reported that the features advertised as unlimited may hit limits after heavy usage. Others have noticed that certain tools or benefits can change shortly after purchase, which can be frustrating if you rely on continuous access. Marketing around the unlimited claims is sometimes unclear, leading to unexpected limitations for creators who use the platform extensively. Despite these issues, the Ultimate plan remains a powerful option for serious content creators who understand the credit system and can manage their usage. It's especially useful for those who want priority access to new tools, enjoy experimenting with cinematic video effects, and need more credits than what lower tier plans provide. The key is to be aware of potential limits and stay informed about the plan's features to get the most out of it. Overall, the Ultimate plans works well for creators looking for flexibility, priority access, and higher monthly credits, but it's important to manage expectations and understand that unlimited features may come with certain restrictions. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.